The first confirmed case of the Omicron variant in the United States was announced on Wednesday. Just 2 days later, and 6 cases are verified here in Public Health Solutions District Health Department in rural southeast Nebraska. But local public health officials are stressing it's not time to panic.
We don't want to have anyone get too scared about this. We still don't know a lot about this virus, and every time something new comes on, a lot of things can be put out in the media, scaring people at times, but this is not one of these cases. We're still.
Officials didn't give any info about the people's age or specific location, hoping to protect their identities in the sparsely populated district, which includes Fillmore, Gage, Jefferson, Saline, and Thayer counties. They did say one unvaccinated person returned from Nigeria on November 23rd and started showing symptoms the next day. The other 5 cases were likely infected through close household contact. Health Director Kim Showalter praised the traveler for calling the health department, allowing them to get a sample sequenced.
So not every case in Nebraska is sequenced for every variant. So that's why it's important to know, if we're looking at a cluster outbreak or we're looking at some special circumstances, so we can get those sequenced right away.
Showalter says the 6 people are experiencing mild to moderate symptoms and are in the recovery stages. There's not much alarm locally, but the World Health Organization has Omicron listed as a variant of concern, and experts are still collecting data to see if it's more infectious than other COVID-19 strains. Medical Director Josue Gutierrez says research is in the early stages.
We are still unsure how this virus will affect individuals with chronic diseases, younger individuals, older individuals. All that's still being studied, and there's a team of international scientists working together, trying to get all this data together.
Governor Pete Ricketts issued a statement after the Omicron cases were announced, reiterating the state's position against mask and vaccine mandates. Showalter doesn't expect many close contacts to the 6 existing cases. If the health department hasn't already called you directly, she says you weren't exposed.
We may be one of the first in the United States with Omicron, but we're certainly not going to be the last. It's just like Delta. We saw it creep its way in, and then it made its way throughout the entire United States. We know that it will be this way with this variant as well.
While Showalter and Gutierrez are urging people to stay calm about the Omicron variant, they say it's not time to let up on the health safety practices they've been preaching since the start of the pandemic. They say vaccination is still the best defense against COVID-19. In Crete, Michael Shively, News Channel, Nebraska.